Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the ship's names on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the left side on the screen, and in the display options section you can find the second option, the ship names, and just tap to the white square icon, and the ship names is displayed on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.